Good evening, everyone. It is March 14th, 2017. We're doing a personal box break for Stephen Arthur in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2016-17 Black Diamond Hockey. I usually allow the customers to choose their personal boxes, but this guy, Stephen, who rocks by the way, was like, you pick the box, let my Matthews powers guide you. So I'm like, oh man, I hate choosing, man. But hopefully that my Matthews powers did help you out in this break. So good luck, man. Zach Parise, 192 of 249. Minnesota Wild hit. Rookie, rookie gem, Zach Rewinski, 157 of 399. Columbus Blue Jackets. Yeah, Nick K. There's supposed to be one per inner case, but I've hit like 3 diamond relics in like 5 boxes before. So there's supposed to be one per inner case, but you never know with these. Nice, Ivan Provorov for the Flyers, 160 of 299. Nice. 2 colors in here, jersey relic. Next one. Nice. 6 of 199, Ivan Provorov rookie gems. Alright. Provorov hit for the Flyers. Nice hit right there. And the last card before the exquisite bonus pack. Good luck, Steven. Oh, I guess my Austin Matthews powers at least produced a rookie team logo rookie jumbos. There it is. Toronto Maple Leafs hit. Austin Matthews. Sorry, Steven. I know it's probably not the one you wanted, but still pulling Austin Matthews at least. My powers were not as strong this time. Alright, exquisite bonus pack is next. Good luck. Exquisite collection, Carey Price. 87 of 149 for the Montreal Canadiens. Well, there you go, Steven. Not too bad of a personal box with that Matthews right there. Provorov autograph, Provorov relic, Zach Rewinski rookie gem. So there you go, Steven. I really appreciate you getting a personal box here. Like I said, guys, we have a 1-box break of this and a 5-box break. Visit the website, jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.